In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly check the code implementation of number of islands. So what I will do, I will first create one function that was given in the problem statements, number of islands. Okay. Inside this function, we have one grid and we need to write our function. Okay. So I will take one count that is equals to 0. Okay. I will start from for that is equals to 0, I less than grid dot length and I plus plus. Again move ahead, I will simply say for let j is equals to 0, j less than grid 0 dot length. Basically what is grid 0? Particular row. So I am checking till row dot length and I plus plus, because the row size will be the number of columns. Okay. Now if grid of I comma j, if grid of I comma j is not equals to 0, okay, that means it is equals to 1, or you can directly write it as 1. What I will do, I will call my function that find number of islands, right? I will call function with grid, with this grid, and I will pass I comma j, and once this is done, I will update the count plus plus. Done. So basically this will give us the result, right? But what I will do, I will create now our function that we have written here, find islands. So let me write this one. So find islands, I can simply write it here at some post function find islands. What should I have? I have one matrix, basically that grid, and I comma j. Now I will write the boundary conditions. If I is less than 0, or j is less than 0, or I is greater than equals to met dot length, or j is greater than equals to met 0 dot length. Okay, these thing conditions will be there. I will simply return. Okay, if met of I comma j is equals to 0, that means if it is a water, right? So what I will do, I will simply say return, right? So these two conditions, first this will be my boundary condition, second will be my water condition, right? Once this I have done, what I will do, I will do the function calls, but before moving to the function call, I will make this term as 0, because I am currently at length, but I should not visit it again, so I will make this as 0. So I will make this as 0, right? And I will call my four functions. Now four function calls you can simply put in some 2D array, then you can call, or you can roughly call all your four functions. So basically I will call from here the same. These are my four functions calls. One will be I plus 1, one will be by I minus 1, one will be my j plus 1, one will be my j minus 1. And after this I will simply return. Okay, even if I don't put return, that is also I guess fine. So this function basically do my complete DFS, right? This function is for responsible for DFS. Once I will come back from that function, I will simply update the count. So this is the code implementation of number of islands. Okay, in the next video I will give you a quick demonstration of dry run, basically how this code is working internally, and then we can solve some new problems. Okay, so see you in the dry run.